Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about cost, revenue, apportionment of common cost, by-product costing, format of final accounts of firm. Recap of previous session. In the previous session we learned introduction to firm accounting, meaning of firm accounting, need, purpose and characteristics of firm accounting, nature of transaction and different types of transactions. Cost includes operational cost, other cost and notional cost. Operational cost is a cost which is incurred for purchase of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, manures, etc., irrigational expenses, wages paid to the farm workers, power, repairs and maintenance of agricultural machinery. Other cost includes depreciation of fixed assets, interest on loans, rent of leased land. Notional cost includes interest on own capital, rent on own land, wages of family workers. Revenues are sale proceeds of main products and byproducts, value of output exchanged for inputs, value of family consumption of crops and byproducts, rent of leased out land, value of output exchanged for input. Common cost which is generally incurred for all crops and are not identifiable towards any specific crops. By-product costing. The byproducts generated during the farming activities must be deducted at its market value from the total cost to arrive at net crop cost. Apportionment of common cost. Maintenance cost of draft animals on animal base, maintenance cost of own machinery, implements and depreciation on machine hours, maintenance cost of farm shed, buildings and depreciation, interest on fixed capital on length of crop season, interest on working capital investment for each group. Proforma of farm account. On the debit side, we record opening stock, wages, cost, expenses and hire charges, deferred expenditure, depreciation, interest on loan. On credit side, output sales, household consumption, that is drawings, fodder utilization in cattle shed, output used as seeds, closing stock. The difference is farm profit, that is to balance carried down as per a cost concept, and it is brought down on credit side. And on debit side, notional rent on leased land, notional interest on owned capital are recorded. The difference what we get, that is farm profit as per B, that is to balance carried down, and again it is brought down on credit side. On the debit side we record wages of family workers. The difference what we get, that is farm profit as per C cost concept, that is farm household capital account. Proforma of balance sheet. The liability side we record farm household capital, farm profits are added, if there is any farm losses it is deducted, long term loans, short term loans, creditors, outstanding expenses are recorded. On asset side, farm, land, farm buildings, bullocks driven implements, machinery and tools, input stock, output stock, crop in process, work in process, cash in hand, other assets, miscellaneous deferred expenses are recorded. Thank you.